The human brain is one of the most extraordinary creations in the known universe. Weighing only about 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms, it controls everything you are: your thoughts, emotions, memories, movements, decisions, creativity, and even your dreams. Often compared to a supercomputer, the brain is far more powerful and efficient than any machine humans have ever built. While computers rely on electricity and coded instructions, the brain works through billions of living cells, communicating at incredible speed, making it the true command center of the human body. At the core of the brain's power are neurons, specialized nerve cells that transmit information using electrical and chemical signals. The average human brain contains around 86 billion neurons, and each neuron can form thousands of connections with others. These connections, called synapses, create vast networks that allow the brain to process information, learn new skills, store memories, and adapt to new situations. Unlike computers, which need to be reprogrammed manually, the brain constantly rewires itself through a process known as neuroplasticity. This means your brain physically changes as you learn, practice, and experience life. The brain is divided into several key regions, each with its own responsibilities. The cerebrum, the largest part, handles thinking, problem-solving, emotions, speech, and voluntary movement. It is split into two hemispheres, left and right, each specializing in different functions. The cerebellum, located at the back, fine-tunes movement, balance, and coordination, allowing you to walk, write, or play sports smoothly. The brainstem controls vital automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, and sleep cycles, tasks so essential that you don't even have to think about them. One of the most fascinating aspects of the brain is how energy efficient it is. Despite performing trillions of calculations every second, the brain uses roughly the same amount of energy as a small light bulb, about 20 watts. Modern supercomputers require enormous amounts of power, cooling systems, and space, yet they still cannot fully match the brain's flexibility, creativity, and emotional understanding. The brain can recognize faces, instantly understand language, imagine the future, and feel love or fear, all things that artificial systems still struggle to replicate. Memory is another remarkable feature of the brain. Instead of storing information like files on a hard drive, memories are distributed across networks of neurons. When you recall a memory, your brain recreates it by reactivating those networks. This is why memories can change slightly over time, influenced by emotions and new experiences. Learning strengthens connections between neurons, while unused connections may weaken, making the brain both powerful and adaptable. The brain also plays a central role in shaping who you are. Your personality, habits, beliefs, and decisions all emerge from brain activity influenced by genetics, environment, and life experiences. Stress, sleep, nutrition, and emotions directly affect how well your brain functions. Proper rest, healthy food, curiosity, and continuous learning help keep this supercomputer running at its best. In many ways, understanding the human brain helps us understand ourselves. It is not just an organ, it is the seat of consciousness, identity, and imagination. Every invention, song, discovery, and story ever created began as a signal inside a human brain. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how incredible it truly is. If you found this explanation interesting and helpful, like and subscribe for more simple, curiosity-driven science content that makes complex ideas easy to understand.